A very warm welcome to my dear Goenkans of grade 3 to their maths class. Dear Goenkans, today we are going to do subtraction problems of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. So let's start. Here is a subtraction word problem, that is part I from your exercise on page 37. And we are given with the subtraction word problem. First step is to read the question very carefully. There are 3050 houses in a town. 1005 houses are painted red. They are painted with red color, right? How many houses are not painted red? Okay. So the question is, we are having a town in which we are having total number of houses 3050. Out of these 3050, 1005 houses are painted red, right? These are red colored. And we are going to get the number of houses that are of other color, not red. Okay. So this is the question. We have understood the question, and now we are going to find the clue word. That is, how many are not painted red. What does this mean? Means how many are not painted red that are of any other color. Okay. Means we are going to use mathematical operation here, that is subtraction. So we will subtract this from this. This is the subtrahend, this is the minuend. Okay. Third step you will write the statement. Get the statement from the question itself. Total number of houses in a town is equal to 3050. Done. Then number of houses painted red. How many are painted red? 1505. Okay. Then last statement will be, therefore number of houses not painted red, right? Not painted red is equal to. Now we are done with the statements. Fourth step is to calculate. We will do the calculation now. 3050 minus 1505, right? So let's do now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4-digit number we are having. We'll write the place value on top. Is it possible for me to take 5 from 0? No. 0 is less than 5. So what I am having? More on floor. What will I do? I will go to next door and get 10 more. Right? When I will get 10 from here, I will cross 0. Because now my ones digit is 10 here. So I will also cross 5 and will reduce it by 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. We'll write 4 at about 5. Okay, on the top. Now we are going to subtract the ones place. Ones digits. Now it is possible to take away 5 from 10. Right? 10 minus 5 is how much? 5. Done. So you will write in the blank provided. Now subtract tens place. 4 minus 0 is 4. Done. Now hundreds place. Subtract hundreds place. Take away 5 from 0. Is it possible? No. As it was not possible at ones place, it is not possible as well as hundreds place. So what will you do? You are having more on floor. You will go to next door and get 10 more. Okay. When you will get 10 more, this digit will get reduced by 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. You will write 2 here. Okay. Now subtract the hundreds digit. Okay. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what you got is the difference, that is, therefore number of houses that are not painted red is equal to 1545. This is the difference. This is your answer. Now J part. Read the question properly first. Jane has 2655 stamps. Simi has 3560 stamps. Who has more stamps? We know 3560 is greater than 2655. That is, Simi is having more stamps than Jane. Okay. Who has more? We we are done with this. We know Simi has more. We can answer this part. But how many more? How many more is a key word for subtraction. So we have to subtract smaller number from the larger number. Okay, now we will write the statements. Number of stamps Jane had, right? Given 2655. Number of stamps Simi had, given 3560. Since 2655 is less than 3560, right? So Simi is having more stamps. Done? Now the calculation part, that is how many more here. We will write it like this. 3560, that is number of stamps Simi is having. Okay, this is larger, so our first value is larger, that is the minuend. We are going to write it on the top. Then the smaller value, that is the second value, is of Jane. The number of stamps Jane is having. So now we will do the subtraction. Okay, 0 minus 5. 0 is less than 5. I can't take 5 from 0. What will I do? I will go to next door, get 10 more. So we'll write 10 here and we'll decrease it by 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay, so we'll write 5 here. Got it? Done. Now we'll subtract the ones digit. 10 minus 5. Take away 5 from 10. You will be left with 5. 10 minus 5 is 5. Right? And 5 minus 5 is numbers the same. 0 is the game. Got it? See now. You are having here more on floor. 6 is greater than 5. What you will do? You will go to next door and get 10 more. 10 plus 5 is 15. Right? So you will write 15 here and cross the 5. Then you will deduct 3 by 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now you can do the subtraction. Okay. 15 minus 6 is how much? Take away 6 from 15. You will get 9. Okay. So now here I am having 2 and 2. Numbers the same. 0 is the game. So no need to write 0 there. We have got the difference of 905. So we know Simi has more stamps than Jane by how much? 905 more stamps than Jane. This is our difference. This is our answer. Okay. You can verify your answer. You can check your answer, as the last step in our solving our word problems is to check, to verify by adding subtrahend and difference. Okay, if you are getting the minuend, then your difference, your answer is correct. You are doing correct. Students, you are instructed to do part K in maths notebook and also do skill sheet number 12 of your maths speed textbook of page number 12. Okay, so this was all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.